everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Guess what I got? I got my Boxycharm finally. To me it seemed like it was a little late this month. My Ipsy's running late because this is the first month that I'm Ipsy Plus. Yay! And they offered some other things you could purchase and I was like, yeah, I want that and I want that. And because I did that, it said it's a little delay for its shipping because I have to pack all that with it. And yeah, that's okay. But I'm excited to get my Ipsy for this month. So I just opened that. I have not. Did I look at spoilers? I can't remember. You know, my brain's not. I don't remember. All right, got my card here. Gold Digger. Gold Digger. Oh, I see some interesting things in here. Now, did I get to pick up? No. I can't remember. Everything to me, it just all blurs together sometimes. So I'm just going to pull it out as I come to it and yeah. So the first thing I see are some Lashaholic luxury lashes. I think I am going to start wearing lashes more in my videos. Out in real life, no, I don't think I'm a false eyelash kind of gal. I might on the cruise. I might be daring and fun and do it on the cruise. Not sure yet. That's just something else I'd have to carry. And this is what they look like. They are so pretty. Those are pretty. I will try them. Those are really pretty though. So this is Lashaholic. Let's see how much they cost. Lashaholic Lashes Insta-Glam False Eyelashes, $14.99. They're nice. They are nice. So I'm okay with that. Next, I see an eyeliner. A black eyeliner. But this one, I'm not too upset about. This is Glittering Star Eyeliner. Gentil Bleu. I've had some of their liners, or I have some of their liners. Sparkle up your glam with Gentil Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter liner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. I like the shimmer. Where's that? This is what it looks like. It's a pencil. I can see the oh. Yeah, I can see the glitter just in the pencil. I can see the glitter on my hand. You can see it. It doesn't go on the smoothest. It doesn't go on as nicely as the Urban Decay, but you know what? I'm okay with that. I'll have fun with that. Yeah. So this eyeliner, I'm okay with. This one, $5. You know, that's not a bad price. I wonder if they have any other glitter ones. This makes me want to go look, but I don't need them. Don't need them. All right. Next, these Luxie brushes. They have a gold handle on them. Yeah. So we've got a Luxie 141 mini round. Oh, I'm into these rounds. But I don't have a small one like that. These are small. These are nice detail brushes. Mini flat angle. That is angled, but it's round. It's a round top. Let me see if you can, I don't know how well you can see that. This one is Luxie 131 mini angled. Now that is a flat angled. And this one is 121 mini tapered. These are nice. I don't have, well, I have these shapes, but in a little larger brush heads. So I'm really excited about these two little guys here. These are nice. I like them. And I love Luxie brushes. These Luxie brushes are $21. Okay. Next I got, I think everybody got these, the Cover FX Glitter Drops. Here we go, and I think everybody got Nova. That's what I've been noticing. So I don't need to keep that packaging. This sells for $44. I know you guys have seen this on everybody else's. I notice people put like a dropper and then they've just got glitter all over their hands. I myself am not going to do that. I'm going to barely tap it onto my hand. I didn't even drop the dropper. Now that's the way to go. Just put it on there. I don't know if you can even see that. Let me turn this down a little. I don't know if you can see that. It just looks like a bunch of glitter on my hand. That's all it looks like. So I would be very, I'm going to turn this back up. I would be very careful using these. I might one day here around the house play with it, mix it in with my foundation and see what that looks like. I've heard people say they put it on their eyes. I don't know that I put this on my eyes. I've got a lot of nice glitter eyeshadows. I don't know, is this made for the eyes? Can you put this on the eyes? It doesn't say anything about eyes. I threw the box away. I'm not going to dig it out. It says it can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer. And use it on your face and body. Yeah. It's interesting. It's interesting. I believe if I purchased Cover FX drops on my own, I don't think I would have purchased the glitter ones, even though I'm a glitter gal. But I don't think I want my whole face to look like glitter. But I will play with these and see what I come up with. And did I tell you they're $44? Yeah, and then this is the last thing in my box. And it's a palette. Ace Beauty, I'm calling it. I've heard it pronounced several different ways. This is what it looks like. Oh, I wanted to see in person what these colors look like. It's very pretty. I think this is a very pretty palette. This is definitely my shades, because I have a ton of them already in other palettes. But that's okay. I'm going to swatch a few. I've got some wipes behind me. This is a matte. This is Patchouli and Clove. That's pretty powdery when I swirled it around. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'm going to just grab this rose right here. Oh, now that's a nice satin finish. These are not, okay, rose is not glitter. It's what I would call satin. It's a nice. Now, can you see all that powder on here? It doesn't swatch very well, so we'll see how it goes on the eyes. But it felt like it was caking up on my finger. And I'm going to go with this gold primrose, just to see. It feels like the this last one I put on has that same feel. So we'll try these out. And that one, the palette sells for $24.99. And I was going to bring my calculator in here and did not. So let's just guesstimate. 110. 110 is what I'm getting. That's what I get. $110. So not the best dollar-wise for Boxycharm. I am not upset with it at all. I'm even okay with getting lashes. That doesn't bother me. I liked everything I got. I just got to play with the glitter drops. Believe me, I'm happy I got glitter drops. The Cover FX glitter drops. And if they want to continue putting stuff like that in my box, I am a-okay with it. I don't want it to seem like I don't like it. Because I do. I just need to figure out how I'm going to use them. They're pretty glittery. That's more glitter. I don't like glitter in my highlighter. And I like glitter on my lips, and I like glitter on my eyes. I don't want glitter on the rest of my face. And as far as my lips, just a little bit of glitter. I've heard other people say this, I might use it on my body. You know, just a little shine like on a special occasion. But it's a lot of money for something that I wouldn't use a whole lot of. I personally would not have purchased it myself, but I am definitely not angry that I got it in my Boxycharm. So let me recap real quick. The palette, very beautiful. I will try those colors out, see how they do. The lashes, I really like those. Those are pretty lashes. This, I've got to learn to play with. My cap does not want to stay on my eyeliner. I don't know about you guys. There we go. So, I'm kind of excited about this eyeliner and definitely the brushes. I really, especially the two little ones. So, I think it's a good month. I think it's a good month. I just need to play with those glitters. I do like to glitter, but I'm just not that much on my face. So, but it is pretty to look at. So, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Let me know what you got different in your box than what I got. And if you got the glitter drops, what do you think of those? So, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.